thunderstorm warning for Armstrong County, southwestern Carson County, southern Potter County, Randall County until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Washburn, or about 8 miles east of Amarillo, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wayside, Washburn, Palo Duro Canyon, Amarillo, Lake Tanglewood, Claude Canyon, Bushland. This includes Interstate 27 between mile markers 91 and 123. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 58 and 98. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties. In Texas, Armstrong, Carson, Potter, and Randall.
Han var ju efter 20 år.
Yeah, I've never heard anybody else with that name before. How old are you? You like baseball? Football. Now, do you play football or do you just watch football? Would you do me a favor? Be careful. Be very careful. I'm worried about wasting Nick playing football and hurting your shoulders and your knees. Football. All right. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better. What can I do for you tonight, sir? For all your friends? Are you going to have play dates and stuff this summer? I'll try to get something this summer just a couple of weeks. My friend's studying. Okay. Bye-bye now.
Jag är väldigt utgrann på bollpinnar. Jag har 540 kilometer i timmen. På highway. Vi kör faktiskt inte lovligt. Och så har jag gjort när jag utgör Emilia. Det där framme. Jag gick nödblinken på. Alfred filar på motorvägen. Det gör det ju då mest för att betyda cyklarna framför det gör. Som man kan säga så är det inte lätt att prestera sig långsamt. Jag kommer få dem med på tejpen men det blinkar i efter. Då var det fullstoppet.